In this quick video, we're going to talk about how you can refund Roblox items without contacting support and whether or not that's possible. Now, it is going to be possible for some platforms such as iPhone and Android. If you made a purchase, then you can get a refund from the Google Play Store or the iOS Store respectively. However, if you're using PC to play Roblox, then you can't really get a refund without contacting support, and you will need to click on your gear icon here and then go into Help and Safety. Then you will need to select Violations and Appeals, and you will need to select Support here. Next, you have to choose the type of help category for billing and payments, and you will choose I have an issue with my Roblox package purchase, or I want to report an unauthorized charge or refund or request a refund. So I recommend this one. Here you will have to explain the issue, but like I said, this is going to be the only method of how you can get a refund on Roblox for PC. If you're using mobile or you are on iPhone or Android, then you can request a refund through that platform as long as you used it to purchase items with it. I hope this helps and answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.